Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and right beside it is a bell. If you hit the notification, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Sorry, I got tongue-tied there. So subscribe doesn't cost anything to do, nor does it for hitting the bell for the notification. And it just lets you know that I've uploaded another video and go check out her painting. I have got a 14 by 14 canvas in front of me with a cup full of paint. This is from my last video, my last painting I did, a blowout 16 by 20, a Dutch pour with Bahama blue, metallic peacock. I've got dioxazine purple in there, mint green, cerulean blue, all these kind of colors. That's all in this cup here. I've got the white ready to go on the canvas, and I'm going to put a puddle of my sugar plum, which is a navy. I'm going to put that in the center just to add a little bit of different color to the past video I just did. Actually, it's two videos with the same colors. I did reverse dips from the pour painting I had from my Dutch pour. So now this is going to be video number 3 with pretty much the same paints I used. I salvaged this from my table and I thought, oh, they're beautiful colors. I can't waste it. So I'm going to do my third video with same group of paintings, really, or colors, sorry. All right, I'm going to give this a quick little torch. Now this is just a thin layer of white acrylic that's down there, just so that the paint has a little bit of flow when I flip this cup. So I'm just going to pull my stick out of here. Give that a toss. And I'm going to flip this cup and give it a little tilt. Now everything that you see me use, the cups, the stir sticks, the butane torch, my pearlescent mixing medium that I use, you can find that all on Amazon. I have links in the description. If you decide you want to buy yourself something, hit one of those links and I'll get a small percentage on a gift card from Amazon to replenish some of my stock. So every little bit helps, right? When you're doing all this painting, it's all expensive. Expensive hobby when you do it every single day. Pretty much I paint every day. Okay, so I'm just going to flip this. You know, I was going to try and put my canvas on top, but I'm not going to. We're just going to wing it. I haven't put my puddle down. Hold on. Got sidetracked. My sugar plum puddle. That's what I'm going to start with. Just to add a little bit of a different color to the last couple paintings I did. This one will be a little different. Okay, that should be good. I'm going to take my beautiful mixture of colors here and just flip it. There we go. Now usually the paintings turn out beautiful when it's just like a happy accident. You didn't really plan it. You just had all this leftover paint. You thought, I got to do something. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm just going to pick this guy up and slide him over a little bit just to get some more color happening. And then I'm going to go this way a little bit. Hopefully I don't muddy up the paints too much. And over here. There we go. Good enough. Now I'm going to give it a quick little torch. Now this paint did have each of the colors that I put in here. The Bahama blue, the metallic pearl peacock, the cerulean blue. In each cup that I mix, I put 1 drop of silicone in, so it'll help with cells. Give this a torch. Get those bubbles out and get some cells happening. Okay, so now I'm just going to pick my canvas up and just give it a little bit of a tilt. Now this kind of thing you need to have patience for. They say to do it slowly, but I don't always have the perfect amount of patience for this. But we'll try. I don't want to stretch my cells out too much either because they're popping up really nice here. Sorry if you're seeing the back of the canvas. I'll try and get this moving quickly. Okay, I'm really liking that navy there. I'm just going to pour this a little bit more this way to get the navy happening. Okay, let me give it a torch and see how we're doing here. I gotta take these gloves off because they're just soaked in paint. Okay, let's see what happens here. This actually looks like the head of a bird almost. That looks really cool. Not sure I'm crazy about this section. Give it a sec here. Gonna put some gloves back on. I think I want to pour that off a little bit. I love this. I don't mind this too much. I didn't cover this corner with paint anyway, so that's my excuse for doing this. Okay, I'm going to pour it this way a little bit to get this corner down here. There's still lots of paint on here. Come on. Okay. Definitely stretching out my cells by doing this, but that's okay. Just wanted to get rid of some of that muddied up green. Well, I like that much better. Okay, I think I'm going to go this way a little bit more. There we go. Now I got my corner covered. Bring the blue this way a little bit. There we go. I think it needs a little bit more. How's that? Really like how that blue's coming down like that. Sorry, I keep losing the camera angle, sorry. There we go. I'm happy with that. Except for right here. I'm going to come back this way a little bit. It's got a little purple in there. Is it looking like anything? Not really. Okay, I'm going to hold it just a little while longer this way and see if I can stretch out that blue some more. I'm not 100% sure about this blue, you guys. Let's give it a torch. Maybe it'll grow on me. Yeah, I'm not going to mess with it anymore. I'm going to leave it and see how it dries. You know what? I don't even have my glasses on. That's funny. Stretch too much of the blue here, I can see. Okay, I'm not happy. I'm going to add some blue to a couple areas. I'm going to blow it out a little bit. Yeah, I was going to add some white, but no, I don't think I'm going to. I'm just going to blow it out with my airbrush. One thing cool about abstract is you can do so many things. There's no real rules. You're the artist. You get to do whatever you want. I'm cool with that. Definitely forming a little story of its own here. Okay. One spot right here. There we go. I don't have gloves on, but that's okay. I'll still lift it up. So I just added a little bit of blue just to give it a little bit of unique character to it. Wasn't crazy about what I was seeing. So I think now I'll be much happier once it dries, because it is a very nice mixture of colors. And hopefully I got enough paint off there that it's not going to crack too much. Alright everybody, there's another quick little painting. Leftover paint from a previous pour with a little bit of the Sugar Plum Navy added in. Alright everybody, Thanks very much for joining me. Please hit subscribe. Come back and watch another video. And I'm sure there'll be a video popping up right now. One of my favorites. Stick around and watch that as well. Thanks, everyone.